And Lieutenant Governor Deidre Henderson urging residents to get vaccinated after visiting the ICU at Intermountain St. George Regional today. That ICU over 100% capacity, and the majority of COVID-19 patients are unvaccinated. ABC4 Southern Utah correspondent Jordan Verdadero reports.
What we saw today was powerful, was heartbreaking, and entirely preventable.
Lieutenant Governor Henderson is urging Southern Utah residents to get vaccinated to protect themselves against COVID-19 after visiting the Intermountain St. George Regional Hospital.
We have a hospital full of COVID patients who don't need to be there. We have hospital staff who are working extra shifts, working overtime, working extra patients, having extra patients in their care at the same time. And that doesn't need to happen.
The hospital's medical director, Dr. Patrick Carroll, says staff is struggling to keep up with ill patients, the majority of them being unvaccinated.
For about 144% ICU capacity today. It's been 2 weeks since we've been over 100% capacity in the ICU.
He says the hospital is having to discontinue some surgeries that require ICU and hospital beds because of the high number of COVID patients.
We're seeing about 25% of all patients in the hospital currently have COVID.
Dr. Carroll says the surge in the ICU is higher now than it was last winter, and many patients are younger and part of the healthier population, which he believes is part of the Delta variant.
I'm heartbroken for the families. I'm heartbroken for our staff at these hospitals that they have to be going through this again.
Only about 40% of residents in Southwest Utah are fully vaccinated. Reporting in St. George, Jordan Verdadero, ABC4 News.